What was happening in the Web3 before was very bad, especially in the early days of DeFi. Trading on blockchain was slow and expensive. If you wanted the best rates, you had to jump from one app to another, hoping for the best. On TON, things were better, but still not perfect. Then came a new idea, a vision. What if all the liquidity in the TON ecosystem could be brought together? What if you could trade any token from any DEX in one place with the best possible rates? In the early days of DeFi, trading on blockchain was slow, expensive, and confusing. If you wanted the best rates, you had to jump from one app to another. That's how Omniston was born. After months of building and testing behind the scenes, Omniston is now live, open for everyone during our beta phase. But what is Omniston? Omniston is a liquidity aggregation protocol. It connects multiple DEX on TON to give you the smoothest, smartest way to trade. It pulls liquidity from major platforms like STON.fi, 𝙄𝙈𝙋𝙊𝙍𝙆𝙎, and Moki, with more joining soon. It uses resolvers, smart bots that race to find the best deal for your trade. And it works with something called RFQ, which simply means you ask for a price, and Omniston finds the best one. No guesswork, no hopping between sites, just the best price, every time. And the best part? You don't need to install anything or change how you trade. And if you're using STON.fi, Omniston is already in the UI. Just go to the swap page, open settings, and make sure Omniston is enabled. Right now, during the open testing phase, you can trade up to $1,000 per transaction. A perfect chance to try it out and see the magic in action. This is not just another feature. This is a step toward a bigger future, one where TON connects with other blockchains and where DeFi becomes truly seamless. At STON.fi, we believe the future of finance is something we build together. Omniston is that future, and it's here.